Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to translate text with ChatGPT better than Google Translate. Now as you can see, I'm going to translate this into English, and if I'm going to use Google Translate, then I should see the result, but I have only one result. As compared to ChatGPT, I'm going to show you there are lots of ways that you can get a result depends on your prompt. So for example, this word, I want to translate this into English, then I will get a basic translation for that. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Press enter, and I should get this one. If I'm going to go to Google Translate and then paste that one right here, ask for a translation, I should also get the same thing as the basic translation. Here's the thing. In Google or in ChatGPT Translate, there are lots of tones that you can ask. You just have to add a clear translation instructions. For example, if you want to ask a natural tone, you can ask translate this into English using a natural friendly tone, and you will get a result like this. You can also ask translate this into English as if it's for a business email, and you should get a result. Another thing is that you can also ask literary style, like translate this into English while keeping the poetic feeling of the original, and you will get one. And lastly, you can also ask compare styles. Give me two versions, one literal and one natural. So there are a lot of tones that you can ask here in ChatGPT compared to Google Translate. You can also refine the output if it's not perfect. You can ask ChatGPT to adjust, for example, make it sound more polite, keep the same meaning but use simpler words, make it sound like native English. This level of control is something Google Translate can't do. So this is the advantage of ChatGPT compared to Google Translate. You can also paste entire paragraphs or summaries if it's too long. Do it section by section, and then you can save this as text or PDF. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.